Now, most painting problems that happen actually begin before you've even made the first brushstroke. Now, I'm going to be sharing something that can really help prevent that and give you confidence with every single painting going forward. But before we get to that, I want to invite you to a really important event. I'm going live and doing a live workshop called Create Art You Love Without Tutorials, and there's going to be, it's a fun workshop, and basically there's going to be a Q&A at the end. You can also ask me questions. There's going to be a workbook you can download and print off. It's going to be super fun, but it's going to be a private workshop, so make sure you register and join the class below with the link in the description box. Anyway, so let's get on to this secret hack that makes every painting going forward a success. Now, this was something I kind of stumbled upon, and it feels like something that nobody really talks about, or maybe it's that we know it, but we just don't want to do it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it. But it's a habit now I do with every single painting, and it's this. Basically using my sketchbook to determine 3 things about my painting. The first is the composition. Now, my compositional sketches can look very messy. Here's an example of one. This is a wisteria painting, not the one behind me. This was for the one behind me. I couldn't decide whether to do 3 orchids or have like this whole kind of splay of orchids. But I basically do this same process every single painting. So yes, the first one is the composition. Then I will do a value drawing, and then I will choose my color palette. And this is like an example of the color palette. So once you've made these decisions, these are really the crucial decisions before you can start your painting. I honestly, truly feel like you cannot start painting on a canvas until you know these things, until you have made these decisions. And it is 100% times better to make these decisions in a sketchbook where you can play around with different ideas than in the middle or at the end of your painting when you're trying to balance all these different things together. This will really make or break a painting. If you want to learn more about this process and how it actually works, because technically you can start implementing this right now, like from this video going forward, you can implement this. But if you do want to learn more about this process, how to really do it for the best benefit of the painting so that you feel confident with every brushstroke, then do join the live class, Create Artwork You Love Without Tutorials, because this is the exact process that I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm going to let you in on some little secrets to do with my paint anything process, and it's going to be really exciting. So make sure you join. The link is in the description box. It's happening in just a few days, and it would be great to see you there. It's going to be, we're creating a movement of artists finally feeling confident about their artwork and just pursuing their goals to be an artist. And I'm excited to be a part of that. Hope to see you there. Bye.